Hi guys, this is Jerry. In this video we're going to show you the 2022 MG ZST Core. So this is the base entry model for the MG ZST range in New Zealand market and Australian market. So currently this vehicle is $27,990 driveway in New Zealand. That includes the 7-year warranty, 7-year roadside assistance, 7-year warranty fitness checks, everything. So very good vehicle for the price for sure. So the overall body size is like a Mitsubishi ASX or a Nissan Juke or close to a Nissan Qashqai. Depends on how you want to measure it. So if you're looking to purchase one of these vehicles in New Zealand, you can contact us at Abbott MG. We have two sites at the moment. One is in South Auckland in Pukeoi, one is in Ormston, Flatbush in East Auckland. And if you want to purchase one from me, my name is Jerry. I will leave my email address down below, jerry@abbott.co.nz. Contact me for any inquiries, anything like that. We have all the sorts of colors, and this particular vehicle is in Pebble black. So this is the standard color, but in New Zealand there's no cost for other colors, unlike Australia. Key wise, we have electric sort of keyless entry, keyless start. So press the button from distance, and at the front we have full LED lights with daytime running as LED shape and full LED, and we also get high beam assist on this particular vehicle. On the side, 17-inch alloys, just a silver finish with Maxxis tires. So this is the same as the ZS Excite. Silver chrome surrounds, silver door handles, silver chrome windscreen, window surrounds, and also silver roof rails on the top. So that's quite handy. At the back, we still also got LED tail lamps and fake exhaust pipes with the silver chrome underneath. And we have parking sensor at the back. This vehicle also have the 360 camera, so that's available on all the ZST models. Open up, we have a 350 liters of boot space, very spacious, very deep down. You do have two levels. You can lift higher to this level, you can drop down the seat, you can remove the passenger shelf if you need it. Otherwise, manual drop, just like that. That's from this side. Let's jump to the back. Fuel tank on the driver's side, by the way. So at the back we have fabric seats on this vehicle with this sort of tartan look, and tons of room for 5 people. I'll be okay fitting at the back at my sitting position, and with no shortage of leg room or headroom or anything like that. And at the front we do have a full display for the 10-inch display, and standard gear lever, MG steering, and a standard dashboard, just like that. Let's jump to the front. Keyless entry, by the way. At the front we have the same sort of material seats and manual adjustments for the driver seat and passenger seats. Drivetrain wise, this vehicle comes with a 1.5 liter petrol motor with 84 kilowatts combined with a CVT transmission. So although it's a small motor, but the CVT is very helpful to make the vehicle drive very smoothly. And it's got enough power for most people. But if you do want a little bit more power, if you're a little bit peppier, if you're around the towns or on the motorway, you can get the up spec model called MG ZST Excite or Essence in New Zealand and Australia, and that will give you 115 kilowatts with a 1.3 liter turbo and 6-speed auto. Obviously you do need to pay more for those vehicles. Yeah, and 2-wheel drive only on the MG ZST currently for New Zealand and Australia. So put the foot on the brake, press the button, the vehicle starts. Let's have a look at the dashboard. There's a lot sorts of lights obviously, but the vehicle goes through that. We get fuel gauge and also odometer, speedo and the rev counter, everything, and a digital screen in the center, so we are able to change whatever you like, have all the information of the range to empty and other things like fuel consumption, fuel gauge, yeah, so a lot of information over there. On the steering we have controls on the left for your music, controls on the right, controls of the screen. Cruise control behind this is adaptive cruise control. So speaking of safety features, we have a full complete safety features from MG Pilot on all of the ZST, even for the base model. First, the speed assistance systems, so that allows the vehicle to read out speed limit information in particular area once you drive through. Lane assist systems, so you get alert, departure assist, lane keeping, so different functions that allows you to drive the vehicle on motorway, have a little bit more assistance on the steering. MG pilots, that's your adaptive cruise control, plus your traffic assist, low speed as well. For collision system, just before you crash into something or someone. Rear driving assist, that's your rear mirror, on the right rear mirror indicator, so that allows you to basically give you a notification if someone's actually at the back view. And also you have rear cross traffic alert in case you are reverse of the car park. We have other small things like convenience and comfort, driving maintenance. You can actually set your steering profile, so that these are quite handy for daily use. There's no navigation on the screen, but you can get navigation on the hardware spec, either ZSE Vibe or Excite or Essence again. We have 360 cameras, or simply when you put on reverse, you get a surround view camera. Otherwise, you can press this button. You can do 2D, 3D to see your side and left wheel view. You can see 3D as well, so that's certainly quite handy for daily use. Air conditioning, and also we have radio controls, Bluetooth as standard, music streaming, and Apple CarPlay plus Android Auto on all the ZST with this 10-inch HD screen. Yep, just like that. Other direct buttons underneath for your aircon, home buttons, all that things. 2 USB charging ports and a 12-volt socket allows you to control anything you like or connect anything, charge anything you like. Other information up here: 360 camera, traction control, hill descendability, parking brake, and also just a standard gear lever. We get handbrake and auto hold. Again, that's another difference between this and the standard ZS in New Zealand, Australia. So we do get handbrake, like an electric handbrake instead of manual handbrake, plus a nice center console. 2 cup holders plus some storage and a center console, just like that. We get decent size glove box and decent size pocket on the door bin. So yeah, that's pretty much all about this vehicle. Again, if you're interested in the one of this vehicle, contact us at Abbott MG, either in East Auckland, Ormston, or Pukekohe. We are two dealerships. And if you want to purchase one from me, my name is Jerry. My email is jerry@abbott.co.nz. And do not forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. And I'll surely put more videos about how to use this, how to use that in the future. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.